Hi friends, welcome to Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial by Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. This is third video in the Intermediate Python Programming Tutorial. In this video, we are going to discuss about zip function. And finally, answer to the assignment question which I have given in the previous video. I'll discuss answer here. So make sure you watch the video till the end. First, generally, what is zip? It is a device, a machine that connects to two things, right? Generally, the zips for our jeans or bags, a zip is used to connect them, right? To connect the cloth or something, right? In Python, we want to connect two things. The things means list or tuple or sets. Here also, we want that functionality. Here also, to do that, we use zip, that is zip function. Before getting to the topic, a request for you friends. If you are first time visiting my channel and want to learn Python programming language, make sure you hit the subscribe button and activate the bell icon to get notifications. Get into the video. So what is zip function? Zip function is a function that maps the similar index of multiple containers. See the syntax of zip, round brackets, and inside these brackets, iter1, iter2, we can give as many iters as we required. Here iter means list, tuple, or set which we want to connect. Let me explain with example. For example, I have two lists. One list has names and another list is ages. And names list have all the names of persons and ages list have ages of that persons. For example, see here names and for example Basha, Ram and Sita was. Okay. And ages, their ages. For example, Basha is 5, Ram is 6, Sita is 3, and Raj is 4. They are babies, okay? Now we want to map their names with the ages. So to do that, we use zip here. So result is equal to zip, and in the brackets, I give names, comma, ages. That's it. I'll print the result. Now if I run my code, it will not print the exact output. We want Basha 5, Ram 6, Sita 3, Raj 4, like that we want, right? But it not print. See here. See zip object at it give the memory address. So now the zip object is created. See what is inside this zip object. I'll give list here. Now the zip object is updated in the form of list. My code. See here. Basha, 5, Ram, 6, Sita, 3, and Raj, 4. These are tuples. A list of tuples is printed. We can give a set also here. It is in the form of set, but set is unordered. It will exclude the duplicate elements. That's the power of set. We can give dictionary also here. Then it is a form of dictionary. We can give tuple, then tuple. Okay. I told you that we can give as many iters as we want. So to show you that, I'll give another list here. Here also we can give a list, tuple, set, or dictionary, anything we want. For example, now my tuple name is countries. Which countries they belong to? For example, Basha is belong to India, and Ram is belong to USA, America, and Sita is belong to Japan. I think no Japanese have learned names like Sita. Just for example, I give like this. Raj is belong to Germany. Now I'll add countries here. Okay. Now on my code. See here. Basha 5 India. We are printed. I'll change here list. The list of tuples. Next, I'll show you how to unzip this. I'll remove this ages list to keep it simple. Okay. Now my code. Sorry, I forgot to remove ages here. That's why it give error. Okay. See here. So now I'll show you how to unzip this. So I remove this result and The res is a zip object, so I'll unzip this res. So see the result. Here there are two values, so that means there are two list tuple or anything. So now I'll take list. So I'll take two list L1 comma L2. You can understand there are two lists here by seeing this first line and second line code. But I'm saying by seeing the result, we can understand there are two lists and L1 comma L2. And to unzip this, we use zip function. Zip, and inside this round brackets we have to give asterisk symbol, the star symbol asterisk, and give the zip object or yes. That's it. Unzip is performed. I'll print my two list L1 and L2. Okay, now on my code, see they are printed in the form of tuples because this zip function will return tuples. If you want in the form of list, we can give list here. See, the list are printed. Unzip is performed whether they are in the form of tuple or the form of list. Unzip is performed. Okay. If you remember in the previous video, list comprehension, I have given a simple assignment. The assignment question is write Python code using list comprehension to create a list with numbers that divided by 5 between 50 to 100. This is our question. So now I am going to answer this question. If you don't know list comprehension, the link of list comprehension video is in description below. Please check that video. Now I create a list 1 and for I in range of 50 to 101. I give 101 because if we give stop value as 101, it take up to 100. That's why I give 101. Okay. If I print this list 1, this will give all the numbers between 50 to 100. See here all the numbers from 50 to 100. Okay. But we don't want this, right? We want all the numbers that divided by 5, right? Between 50 to 100. So we need to give a condition here. So if I modulo symbol 5 is equal to 0. This is our condition. We want numbers that are divided by 5. When the value divided by 5 and gives the remainder 0, then we want that numbers. We want all the numbers in our list. So I give condition like this and run my code. See all the numbers between 50 to 100 which are divided by 5 are printed. This is solution to our assignment question. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Comment your opinion on this video in the comment section below. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching.